Welcome to online learning session. Hello friends, I am Miss ESD Kale, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Economics, KK Wagh College of Agriculture, Nasik. In today's session, we are going to see the steps in planning process. Steps in planning process. There are 6 different stages in which planning process gets completed, and they are gathering of facts, analysis of facts, forecasting change, setting goals and results, developing alternatives, and evaluating progress. First step is gathering of facts. In that, gather sufficient information to identify the needed for a plan. Systematically gather specific fact needed to make the plan work. Second one, analysis of facts. Analysis should give the answer to questions like where are we, how did we get here. That is, it helps identifying existing problems and opportunities and provides the framework upon which to base successful decisions. Analysis of facts prevents making of foolish decisions or mistakes and allow for the wisest use of organizational resources. Third one, forecasting change. The forecasting of change is the ultimate test of good planning. It shades been truly said that the ability to determine what the future holds is the highest form of management skill. The broader, the complex, the long more range a plan is more difficult it is to foresee the results accurately. Forecasting is interrelated with all other steps of planning. On your forecasting skill or your future holding skill, the entire planning is depends. That's why this stage is interrelated to the all other stage of planning process. Forecasting change is not a guessing game. It is based on the disciplined thought approach to the planning. Fourth one, setting goals and results. Goals cannot be set in vacuum but must be related to attainable. Goals must be formed as a consequence of tea gathering and analysis of facts and information. Goals should be aimed towards the organizational objectives. As you determine your objectives of your organization, then goals must be in the direction of the objectives. Fifth one, developing alternatives. Explore different ways of getting wherever they wanted to go. Alternatives must be weighted, evaluated and tested in light of unique agribusiness resources. Imagination is crucial since new ways and or new paths can be blazed the route of success. Sixth and last one, evaluating progress. Surveillance and checking of progress have been found by management specialists to be one of the highest priorities. Evaluation shows whether the plan is on the right course and allow both the analysis of new information and the discovery of new opportunities. Evaluation must be incorporated as the most important step of planning process. Thank you. In this session, we have seen the steps in planning process. In that, we have seen the sixth step. First one is the gathering of facts. Second one, analysis of facts. Third one, forecasting change. Fourth one, setting goals and results. Fifth one, developing alternatives. And sixth one, evaluating progress. Thank you for your peaceful listening.